Hello, today we are going to learn how to reconfigure an IP camera to connect DVR or NVR. To configure the IP camera, we need to download and install the Dahua Config Tool to your PC first. Once the IP tool is installed, you have to open the software and you will be able to see IP camera in the IP device list. Then you have to change the IP address according to your local area network IP range. Let's see how to find out the gateway of your network. There are many ways to find the gateway. One of the easiest way is to run the command prompt option and type ipconfig, and then you will be able to see the gateway IP address in the below list. The gateway IP address is mandatory to connect the IP camera to DVR or NVR. Once the IP is assigned, now you can view the IP camera on the web browser. Log in with your username and password which you have created already. Once you have logged into your IP camera on the web page, you are able to change many parameters of the IP camera. In the first steps, you have to change the date and time of the device. Now you are able to create a new user account and edit the user account in the account option. You can change the camera parameters like resolution, bitrate, frame rate and more. Once you have done with all your settings, now you can reboot the camera and get ready to connect it to DVR.